Okay, guys. Chevy 250s right here. Hopefully, soon enough, we'll be assembling this engine. Finally! Because what I did today was I just cleaned the intake manifold gasket surfaces. So those are all cleaned. Oil pan's cleaned. Top of the motor's cleaned. Sides are cleaned. Bottom's done. All that's left is reassemble. Which means sooner rather than later I want to get active in this truck so that this can go in it and be off the stand. So that I can get a new product in here on the stand. A product that I have not even seen yet. A 454 big block, I think. Yep. And that motor I'm going to save for a very certain project. I don't know what yet. Peace out.